Hello students and welcome to my class. Today we are going to represent a square root of a given positive number on the number line. So let's see how to do it. So it's a topic of class 9. It's a lab activity. Now let's see. We have to represent square root of 4.2 geometrically on the number line. So for this, what we have to do, first of all, we will draw a line segment of 4.2 units. Okay. And then we'll produce it to a point C such that BC is equals to 1 unit. So let's see how to do it. I'm going to show you here. So here I am first drawing a line segment AB which is of 4.2 centimeter like this. Then I will produce further 1 centimeter and label the point here as C. So see here it is C. Here this is point B, this is A. Now the next step is we are going to draw a perpendicular bisector of AC. So for this I am using a compass. With the help of compass I am going to draw the perpendicular bisector of AC. So like this I will draw the perpendicular bisector. Such that this is going to intersect AC at O. So look at here, I have drawn the perpendicular bisector of AC. Remember, AC is AB plus 1 centimeter. AB plus BC. AB is of 4.2 centimeter and BC is 1 centimeter. So let this point be O. This point, the point at which the perpendicular bisector is intersecting AC is O. Now further what we have to do? We have to draw a semicircle. Now we have to draw a semicircle with O as center and OA is the radius. Now OA will be the radius. So let's take OA or AC be the radius. Like this I have taken OA radius and keeping the pointer, needle pointer at point O, I have to draw one semicircle like this. Like this I have to draw one semicircle. Now at point B I will draw a perpendicular BX. So for drawing a perpendicular I am using this set square. So like this I will draw a perpendicular here. Perpendicular BX. So this is the perpendicular BX. Let this BX intersect the given circle, given semicircle at point D. So here this perpendicular BX is intersecting the semicircle at point D. Now further what I have to do, I have to produce this AC further to represent it the number line like this. So this is my extended number line. Now with the help of the compass I will draw BD. I will take the radius as BD. So taking the radius as BD like this. I have taken the radius BD. Yes. Now with B as center, I will drop down this projector to intersect the given line at point E. So this is the point E. Now BE will be equal to BD and this is equals to under root of 4.2 centimeter. Now let's measure the approx length of BE or BD with the help of ruler to justify your answer. See, if I measure it, it is somewhat coming to 2.5. BE is 2.5. Same BD, the length of BD is also coming as 2.5 centimeter. So remember what we have done here. First of all, we have taken AB as 4.2 centimeter. Then we have drawn a point C such that BC is equal to 1 centimeter. Then we have drawn the perpendicular bisector of AC. Perpendicular bisector of AC to intersect it at point O. After that, we have drawn the semicircle with radius OA. Then semicircle with OS center and radius OA or OC. After that, at point B, we have drawn perpendicular BX to AC such that it intersects the semicircle at point D. Then we have taken B as the center and with radius BD we have drawn an arc to intersect the produced line AC. So at the end what we get? We get BD equals to BE which is equals to under root of 4.2 centimeters. So I hope this method is clear to you. This way you can easily draw the representation of under root of any positive number on the number line easily. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in my next video.